Dancing at Merrie Monarch is like such an honor. And Camryn told me that you danced at Merrie Monarch. Is that true? So what did that mean for you, like that experience dancing there on such like a global stage? What did it mean for you, like personally and culturally?
So let me talk culturally first. Culturally, I don't really think of it as a cultural thing. I just think of it as more even of a spiritual thing, if that makes sense.
What does that mean?
It means that Merrie Monarch or performance time forces you to, like I was saying about being in the hula mindset or being in a focused mindset. Performing forces you to be in a focused mindset. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So, like, normally if you're in a bad mood or if you're dealing with any kind of problems in your life, you're forced to rise above your problems. You're forced to overcome those little things that might normally irritate you. And you're forced to consciously focus on something that is positive and good and has a function and a healthy impact on other people and the lahui. So kind of going outside of yourself where culturally, I guess, it's about doing something, making a personal sacrifice in order to bring something to the community that is inspiring and educating to them and just bigger than yourself as an individual. You know, personally, what Merrie Monarch